Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep compass in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is fully engaged for safety. Next, insert your key and turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, you are ready for the next step. Now, let's use the shift interlock override. Look for a small access cover near your gear shifter. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to gently pry off this cover. Inside, you will find a small button. Press and hold this button down while simultaneously moving the gear selector into the neutral position. When preparing your Jeep compass for towing, it's crucial to confirm the transmission is securely in neutral. Double-check that the vehicle can roll freely before releasing the parking brake. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific towing procedures and weight limits to ensure safe and proper transport. This prevents potential damage. If you encounter difficulty shifting into neutral, first reconfirm that you are pressing the brake pedal firmly. Sometimes, insufficient pressure can prevent the shift interlock from disengaging. Always ensure your vehicle's battery has enough charge for the ignition to reach the run position. For more great tips, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, which lets you read anywhere, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.